it makes our hair look so soft. So if you are looking for something to use to deep condition your hair for soft. Hey guys, good day, welcome back again to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be using flaxseed to deep condition my daughter hair. It looks like I bought this in Dean. I'm going to be adding 1 spoon of flaxseed inside this water. So I have to turn my gas off now while it will cool down. So I'll go make my daughter, I'll go and use her hair before it cool down. So I'll be throwing this one away, okay? We don't need this anymore. So guys, this is it. I want to go and lose her hair now, so I will come and apply it on my head. So this is how it looks like. It's very thick. So it has cooled down, so I'm going to be using my hair at this point. So if you want to know how I apply it on my child hair, so stay tuned. The next video is going to be on how I apply it on my hair. So stay tuned guys, see you guys soon. So guys, are you guys seeing the way our hair looks so soft? Our hair looks so soft. So I'm going to be using the remaining one on my head. So can you see? It makes our hair look so soft. So if you are looking for something to use to deep condition your hair for softener, so I think you should try this out, you know. So this works a lot, you know. So this is it. All hair types can use it, okay? You can normally got that question. So all hair types can use it. All types of hair can use it, okay? So I don't know if I correct the way I'm saying it. I don't know if I am correct the way I said it before. All hair types can use it, okay?